The diagram shows two small identical metal spheres, R and S, each placed on the wooden stand. Sphere R and S carry charges of positive 8 microcoulombs and negative 4 microcoulombs, respectively. Ignore the effect of air. Explain why the spheres were placed on the wooden stand. Excuse, to make sure that the charges do not leak. That is the answer. Sphere R and S are brought into contact for a while and then they are separated by small distance. Calculate the net charge on each sphere. So into eyenzakalayo la, sphere S sphere R, sphere S sphere R, they are brought into contact, then they are separated again. So bathi asicalculate-ke i-new charge ezoba khona kubo ngamanye amagama. Uma bethi calculate, okay. Calculate the net charge on each sphere. So on each sphere. So uma ngabe sebehlukanisiwe-ke, i-charge yalo kuzoba ubani, i-charge yalo kuzoba ubani. So Q new is equal to QR plus QS all over, excuse, R squared ngimthatha manje. All over 2. We are dividing by the number of spheres. Okay, nazi into kufanele sizazi. We have M millicoulomb, microcoulomb, nanocoulomb, picocoulomb. 3, 6, 9, 12. Nanocoulomb should is so times ngo 10 to the power of minus 3. Nano 9. So times ngo 10 to the power of minus 9. So coulombs. Picocoulomb number phezulu lapha 12 times 10 to the power of minus 12 coulomb. Then sekusele lona number esele singakayisebenzisa 6 times 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs. Nasonke isikhathi fanele siconvert sisebenzise the correct SI unit. So u-charge R omunye u-8 times 10 to the power of minus 6 plus into minus 4 times 10 to the power of minus 6 all divided by 2. That will give us a new charge. Osinikeza a new charge obani?
0,0 0,00
It's a scientific notation. Tiny shift.
7.
Tiny shift uthi mod. Uthi show 7. Uzokunikeza in scientific notation.
Okay, 2,0 times 10 to the power negative 6.
2,0 times 10 to the power of
Negative 6.
negative 6 coulombs. Okay. Now the next question is draw the electric field pattern due to the two spheres R and S. Draw the electric field pattern due to the two spheres R and S. Okay, ukhumbule manje sesilandela lesi statement esisha manje ukuze siphendule le question le. Sithi istatement esisha, sphere R and S are brought into contact for a while and then they were separated. Ukhumbule mase separated, beyi-negative noma be-positive? Positive.
Positive. Yes.
Futhi sebe-positive bobabili, nalo se-positive, nalo se-positive. Sekufanele kudroweke manje for lama-spheres ase-positive. So sizoba nento nje. Ayahambisana le nto le. Draw yedwa ngapha, ngapha draw yedwa. Draw omunye ngapha, draw omunye ngapha, draw omunye ngapha, draw omunye ngapha. Then lo bahlezi bekhona lapha. Okay, noma ngabe u-3 akunankinga, ingaze ibeningi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's okay. Make sure ama-lines wakho awakhrosani. Positive siyaphuma. Positive siyaphuma. Positive siyaphuma. Okay. Now, after R and S have been in contact and separated, a third sphere T of charge 1 microcoulomb is now placed between them as shown the diagram below. But draw a free body diagram showing the electrostatic forces experienced by T due to sphere R and S. But draw a free body diagram, experience of sphere T. Ukhumbule sphere T positive, nalaba sebe positive, nalaba sebe positive bobabili. And i-charge yabo entsha beku-4, bakwanza ngicela ungitshengise ngicime konke. 4,
R.
i-new charge.
Oh, 2,0 times 10 to the power negative 6.
2,0 times 10 to the power of negative 6. 2,0 times 10 to the power of negative 6 coulombs. Charge yabo entsha labo ba-positive. Lona u-1 should be 1 times 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs. Low part nendawo. Just draw-ke i-free body diagram yakhe due to the two spheres. Ukuthi yena uzwa ini. Check-a, lo positive no-sphere T positive. Thina sifuna ukubona u-T ukuthi uzokwenza njani mayibona u-S. U-T mayibona u-S uzobaleka, uzoshona le ba-left. Lena kuzoba u-F, u-FS on T. U-T uzokwenza njani mayibona u-R, u-R positive, u-T positive, T uzobaleka shone kwa-right. Positive and positive, they repel. Kuzoba u-F, R on T. So that is the free body diagram. But calculate the net electrostatic force experienced by T due to R and S. Calculate the net electrostatic force experienced by T due to R and S. So T, electrostatic force, very important. Khulunywa nge-force la. Abantu bangaphambanisi-ke ama-formula. F is equal to, so kuzoba kuzoba i-force ka-R on T plus into minus i-force ka-S on T. Lo uzoba ubani? Uzoba u-K QR QT all over R squared minus K QS QT all over R squared. Yazi mkhangi nenakhuzana la. Yazi mkhangi ne-online class la ngisacela uboleka kamthivi because eyami vele ish ngiyayisebenzisa yazi. Ngisebenzisa yona i-laptop inkinga. Ngisheshe iphelelwe i-battery. UK ubani? 9 times 10 to the power of
9.
ubani?
9
Oh.
times 10 to the power. Yeah.
You must check the table. K is 9. 9 times 10 to the power of 9. R 2 times 10 to the power of minus 6. T 1 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Distance between T and R 10 centimeters, you divide by 102 meters. So kahle kahle ngamanye amagama sinobani? Sino 10 times 10 to the power of minus 2 all squared. More convex, okay, minus ngapha kuzoba u-K kuzoba u-9 times 10 to the power of minus 9 nje u-QS kuzoba 2 times 10 to the power of minus 6 lo munye u-1 times 10 to the power of minus 6 all divided by distance between T and R distance between S and T kuzobani? Kuzoba
Um,
20 times 10 to the power of minus 2 all squared. Ngibhalele la ezansi ngoba khona ukuthi ngikubonakale kahle laphaya. Ngalo ngishayela lokho okungapha lokhu usikhiphela bani?
Ngapha kupha 1,8 times 10 to the power of 6.
1,8 times 10 to the power of 6 ngapha.
Imali seqhawe.
Okay, shaye ngapha eceleni.
4,5 times 10 to the power of negative 19.
Minus 4,5 times 10 to the power of negative 19. Shaya-ke
Yes.
sikonke.
Oh, mina bengishaya kwikonke.
Shaya konke, oh, okay, that is okay.
Yeah.
So i-answer yethu 4,5 times 10 to the power of 19.
Yangapha kule
Ama-unit.
side.
Ubushaya lokwasethi ngapha nokwangasethi ngapha.
Yeah.
Should bengafanele ngirabhe lokhu ne.
Yeah.
Bekuba ukubhalele
Ish,
phansi.
ukhohliwe. Yeah, 1,8 times 2. times 10 to the power of 6.
to the power of 6 minus.
Rapha lo 4,5.
Oh, lokhu ilokhu kwayo yonke into lokhu.
Yeah. Lo 4,5 ngapha kulenye side.
Okay. So ama-unit athini? Newtons.
Yes.
Okay. Then bathi-ke, that is the net electrostatic force. Bathi calculate the magnitude of the net electric field at the location of T due to R and S. Treat the spheres as if they were point charges.
Yes.
So law so sebefuna i-net electric field manje. I-formula ye-net electric field ethi E is equal to K Q all over R squared. Ileyo.
Oh.
Okay, let me see. So the E net. Nakhona futhi singadraw i-free body diagram yakhona. Ukuthi u-T uzokwenza njani? Mayibona u-S, T uzobaleka, soba no-E, S on T. T uzokwenza njani? Mayibona u-R uzobaleka. We have R on T. Lo ngapha positive, lo ngapha negative. So sizoba no-E R T minus E S T. Lo kuzoba u-K Q, kuzoba u-Q bani? Kuzoba u-QR all over the distance between R and T minus K Q, u-Q bani? QS, the distance between S and T. Awusayifaka le charge le kabani?
Oh.
Ka-T. And lo umtreat-a as a positive test charge. Awusamtreat njenge-charge yena kushuthi awusamfaki loya 1 loya owufakile. So ngapha soba no-9 times 10 to the power of positive 9 u-R u-2 times 10 to the power of to the power of minus 6 divided by the distance between R no T, distance between R and T, 10 times 10 to the power of minus 2 all squared minus ngapha sizoba no 9 times 10 to the power of 9 u-S u-2 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Distance between S and T, so 20 times 10 to the power of minus 2 all squared. Okay. Uyishaya yonke, uyishaya ngokwehlukana, okay? Shaya le, mina ngizoshaya le ngapha.
Right.
9 times 10 to the power of 9. 2 times 10 to the power of minus 6. 20 times 10 to the power of minus 2. Ngapha ngithole u-4035 00 00. Ngapha uthole ba?
ngithole 1,8 times 10 to the power of 6.
to the power of 6. Okay, 1,8 times 10 to the power of 6 minus an answer. Isinikeza 1,350000 newtons per coulomb. Okay, iyona answer-ke leyo.
Alright.
Mm.